Alright, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Polygon here, and as we can see, looking like essentially we are getting potentially a little bit of a breakout of this downtrend we've been in for a while here. You can see today we are having a little bit of a move to the upside finally above this resistance that we've been under here. Obviously getting rejected right now, still, you know, coming down and basically making lower lows and lower highs in this local area, aren't we, to be fair? You can see, you know, we've basically come up and we're touching this previous swing low support as resistance, looking like we just might ladder down again to the downside here. But really, as I said before, not that much going on with the markets in general over the past few days, or with Polygon, to be honest. Taking a really quick look at this chart here, you can see that basically we've had this massive run up, haven't we, where we've, you know, ran up, consolidated, ran up, consolidated, ran up, and now we're getting finally a proper retracement, aren't we, where we're coming back down, testing some previous levels. You can see here we came down, tested the 618, but we lost support, tested it as resistance, and then rolled over again. Now looking like we are moving to the downside again. On the hourly time frame, you can see we might finally be getting up above that resistance though. Right now, if you take a look, let me just adjust this so it's exactly kind of what we're looking for on the hourly here. You can see, I mean, basically looking something like this more or less, aren't we? Now finally getting a little bit of relief here after, you know, down, down, down. And you can see we're starting to get a bit of a rally here on the hourly time frame, but a bit too overextended to the downside. You can see here now goes sideways and consolidating a little bit more. Really, we haven't actually had a flip of these EMAs on the hourly time frame since we were up here at around 146. Currently sitting at around 114. A little bit of a bullish flip of our EMAs here. We've got up above both of our EMAs and flipped them bullish, and also up above that that bearish trend line that we've had over the past few weeks. So you could see a little bit of upside for Polygon here. As I said, the way that I'm trading this right now is that I'm scaling into a long position for it. I've been filled here, here, and here with small positions, and I've got a much larger position down here at the 050 if we do get down there. But if we bounced here right now and came back up to the 618, I'd be at about break even. So we'll have to see how things react at those levels. We could easily see ourselves coming back up, getting rejected here and coming lower to get filled, for me at least, on this larger position down here. I think we could easily see something like this where we come, now that we've come back inside the Fibonacci level, we could see this getting retested, so something like this. But right now, as always, just waiting and seeing what's going to happen with Polygon once we start to see some real movement in the markets, because it's been quite low volume, hasn't it? So as always guys, thank you very much for watching. That is it for today. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you do want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord along with me and other investors. So if you do want to get an edge on the markets, that would be a great way to do so and support the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.